guys? Hope you are well and enjoying the Supercars exciting videos on my channel HMKsuper.cars. In today's video we'll explore about the most futuristic supercar by Lamborghini. But before going forward, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell button too, so that you can get the new videos notification in time. Guys, if you are looking for a future sports car beyond your expectations, Lamborghini Terzo Millenio is the one. It comes with the incredible features of vehicle architecture and powertrain. Lamborghini has unveiled the Terzo Millenio concept car. The prototype is intended to explain what technology is used in Lamborghini vehicles in 2040. The name may point a long way into the future. Terzo Millenio means third millennium, but Lamborghini CEO Stefano Domenicali started the Terzo project on his arrival at Sant'Agata. The idea was to explore how to make an EV hypercar dramatic and engaging enough to deliver both the curb appeal and performance that makes it worthy of the brand, as well as engage Lambo's future audience. The Terzo is basically a rolling technical test bed, designed to challenge current EV thinking and jumpstart a more radical approach. The Terzo Millenio is designed with a supercapacitor and a kinetic energy recovery system to provide additional power to the car. The novelty's body is made up of carbon fiber. Simultaneously, the car received a unique system of sensors that control the integrity of the structure. In the event of damage, the electronics will inform the driver about the detected defect. A particular compound is also used in the carbon fiber panels, capable of self-healing damage. The abandonment of the standard all-wheel drive transmission allowed the engineers to create a near-perfect aerodynamic body. Also, Terzo Millenio has a unique system that simulates the sound of a naturally aspirated V12 engine. The new structure of CFRP will have the ability to self-heal. As conceived by the developers, in the event of a scratch or crack in the case, a restoration procedure launched in which a unique chemical composition will be supplied to the damaged area through microchannel, cementing the damaged site and preventing further crack growth. The propulsion system develops by keeping the relatively rare scheme, in which four wheels have direct integration because of an electric motor. Meanwhile, the Lamborghini Terzo Millenio concept has realistic interior and exterior freedom of designs, as there is the absence of a massive battery. Lamborghini Centro Style has created a futuristic yet easily recognizable image of the Italian supercar. In particular, in the front and rear optics, the brand's characteristic Y-shaped stroke is easily guessed. The concept's aerodynamics meet the high standards of cars in this category. The price of a Lamborghini Terzo Millenio is $2.5 million US. In Lamborghini Terzo Millenio, special attention is given to 5 areas during car development: propulsion systems, innovative materials, energy storage systems, and transient concept emotions. It features body panels made of a new type of carbon fiber, capable of self-healing. Small scratches on carbon fiber can heal completely. So guys, how do you feel about the most futuristic Lamborghini Terzo Millenio? Do you really think this state-of-the-art technology will give a tough competition to other automakers? Tell me in comments, like the video and subscribe my channel HMK.Supercars. In the next upcoming videos, we'll continue the video series of 25 most expensive cars. Till then, enjoy my other supercars videos. Take care and goodbye.